In today's video, I'll be showing you how to write an SEO optimized article that will rank on Google using Claude AI. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for this example, we'll be trying to rank for the keyword best gaming headsets with microphones, and I found that keyword by using a tool called SERPstat. I've been playing around with this tool and it's actually really good for doing keyword research and competitive research. Essentially, it is a competitor to SEMrush or any other keyword research tool. So I found this keyword by using the keyword research tool. I went over to overview and I searched up mics for gaming. And first, you'll get an overview of that keyword. So we'll see the search volume, the keyword difficulty, and some other important metrics. And if you head over to keyword selection, this is where we'll get organic keywords for mics for gaming. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the keyword headset mics for gaming. It only has a keyword difficulty of 2 and a search volume of 880. So this is the keyword in which we'll be trying to write and optimize a blog post for. So as you can see, SERPstat makes it very easy for you to find competitor keywords and be able to do keyword research. If you'd like to try it out for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below this video. If you use my code, you will be able to get 10% off of all plans of SERPstat. I highly recommend that you give it a try. They have some really cool features. I especially like the keywords trend features. This shows you keywords that are trending within specific demographics. For example, in the United States, I can see what keywords are trending, and this can be a really good way for you to find keywords that are low competition but high search volume and be able to get some easy traffic over to your websites. So again, if you would like to try out SERPstat for yourselves, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. So now that we've selected the keyword in which we'll be going after, which is headphones with mics for gaming, I've went ahead and searched it up on Google, and I'm going to copy the highest ranking blog posts or URLs for this specific keywords. And I've already done this, but I pasted that into Claude AI and I've told it to extract the main keywords, related keywords, topics, and most important ranking factors from these blog posts. The great thing about Claude AI is that it's able to read live website URLs, unlike ChatGPT. So I can paste in that link, and as you can see here, it was able to extract that information in which we needed. So it was able to extract the main keywords, related keywords, topics, and important ranking factors. So I've just went ahead and repeated that process for all of the top ranked blog posts. So for example, the blog post from PC Gamer, I've already went ahead and pasted that in there. And I've told it to do the same for this blog post, which is essentially extracting the same information. So we get the main keywords, related keywords, and the topics. And as you can see here, I did this for about 4 of the competitor blog posts for this topic. And once we were able to gather all of that information, next what you need to do is now generate an outline. So I've told the AI to take all of the information which we extracted above, take the URLs, and write an in-depth SEO optimized and comprehensive blog post outline targeting the keyword headphones with mics for gaming. And I've also just told it to remember to take all of the information above, add your own topics, don't just take the topics from above, and subtopics, and create your own in-depth blog post outline about the keyword, which is best headphones with mics for gaming, and always write in markdown. So just to confirm, what we've done is we've taken all of the most important ranking factors and keywords from the top ranked blog posts, and we've told the AI to use that information in addition with its own information about that topic and generate us an SEO optimized blog post outline. And here's the outline in which we were able to get back the ultimate guide to the best headphones with mics for gaming. We get an intro, top headphones with mics for gaming, and we get a variety of different brands that we can choose from. Wired gaming headsets, again, a bunch of different brands, budget-friendly options under $100, a couple of different brands there, what to look for in a gaming headset, comfort, compatibility, final thoughts, and references. So we get a pretty in-depth outline here, and this is a really good starting point for our full article. So I've told the AI that we'll be writing the full blog post. Remember to be as in-depth as possible, write long, informative, and engaging blog post paragraphs, include lists and tables when applicable, always write in markdown, and remember to use the keywords extracted above and any important keywords needed to rank for the main keyword in which we're going after throughout the article. And lastly, we will be writing section by section to start with the first section. So again, what I've told it to do is include all of the information from above, but write long and in-depth articles, and also write section by section, because as you saw in my previous video, when you break up the generation, you're able to get much longer and more in-depth content. So here is the first paragraph and the first section of the blog post, the ultimate guide to the best headphones with mics. And as you can see here, it's a pretty decent introduction, very well done. So let's go ahead and tell it to continue to the second section. Okay, so here is the full blog post from Claude about the ultimate guide to the best headphones with mics for gaming. It does a really good job at following the outline and writing in-depth information about the specific blog post topic and giving recommendations about gaming headsets that users can choose from. So now let's go ahead and do a quick test. We're first gonna see how much content we were able to write using Claude AI. In terms of word count, it's about 1,600 words, which is not bad by any means. It's not entirely too long, but it's also not very short. Let's go ahead and run it on originally.ai and see how it stacks up in terms of AI content and plagiarism. In terms of AI detection, it is only 20% original and 80% AI. For plagiarism, it is 2% plagiarized, but other than that, it is 98% original. And for readability, we have a score of 54, which is pretty good. I was a little bit surprised by the AI detection score. Usually Claude does a lot better in terms of its AI detection, but it seems as though this article was only 20% original and 80% AI. So that may be just for this specific article and the way that we wrote it, but usually Claude is a lot better at bypassing AI detection. So now that we've written our article, let's go ahead and optimize the article using Neuron Writer. If you haven't heard of Neuron Writer, essentially it is an AI tool which allows you to optimize your content for specific keywords. So for example, we're trying to rank for the keyword headphones with mics for gaming. What Neuron Writer does is once I enter that keyword, it will go ahead and fetch all of the most important ranking factors, the most important keywords, word count, and essentially anything that the top ranked blogs are doing. And it will fetch all of that information and give you recommendations that you need to follow if you would like to outrank the top ranked blog posts for that specific keyword. So once you have that keyword loaded up, this is the content editor, and this is where you'll paste in the content that you generated from Claude. So just from pasting in the content, we have a content score of 42. The higher the number, the more optimized that content is. So that's actually not bad by any means. We didn't do any other optimization. We just copied over the content we got from Claude into Neuron Writer. And as you can see here, we already naturally included most of those keywords or target keywords that we need to include. There are some other keywords that you probably would need to manually go ahead and include within your article to optimize it a little bit better. But as you can see, Claude does a pretty good job at including those keywords within the article. It's very unlikely that you'll be able to get 100% optimized content right off the bat from any AI writer, but it's very useful if you follow this process because you'll be able to get a nice base and you just need to do some manual touches to get it over into that 80+ mark when it comes to content optimization. We've added in a title and a meta description, and now we have a score of 57. So all that's left now is for you to manually go ahead and include those keywords that have not been included into your article. But as you can see, if you follow the method in today's video, without doing any additional optimization, you are able to get a pretty optimized content that will rank on Google for any keyword using Claude AI. As always, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Most importantly, I hope that you learned something new. If you would like to use any of the tools that I mentioned in today's video, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. If you enjoyed today's video or if you learned something new, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, stay well.